Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Zulfikar Hakimi bin Zulkifli. Today, I and my friend are going to present for our assignment 2 for subject Maintenance Awareness in Designs. For this assignment 2, our task is to identify any problem in UTM facility and produce a product or device to solve that problem. So for this assignment 2, we all decided to solve a problem at the parking lot by adding plastic roller in the parking of FTKM. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself and our group member. First of all, my name is Zulfikar Hakimi bin Zulkifli, and my first group member is Muhammad Aminuddin bin Daud, and second group member is Adib Ashraf bin Abdul Nasir, and our last members are Dayang Nohafiza binti Awang Khalid. We are from group A. So today I would like to present about the introductions. For the introductions for this assignment 2, as the task, we are required to identify any problem in UTM facility and produce a product to solve that problem. So for this assignment, we choose the parking lot as the main problem that we have to upgrade, and by upgrading it, we have to put the plastic roller at the end of the parking lot. So for the project overview, the parking lot presents certain difficulty, particularly with regard to site, with regard to the current boundaries. Next is this research explores creative idea to address the challenge drivers encounter when navigating at the FTKM building. So for this assignment, we also make some interview with students and staff that are using this parking lot, so we can know what the problem is, and we can make a better improvement to encounter the problem that have in the parking lot of the FTKM building. So for the main issue, that the divider are not visible, which put car at actual risk while they are pulling in or out from the parking lot or parking spots. This problem increase the risk of crashes and the car damage. In addition, it also endanger the parking facility and general safety. Next, I would like to present about the problem statement. The problem statement that we get that we can conclude there are three main problem statement. Is firstly, from this research, the drivers often find it difficult to see the dividers, posing a risk when exiting the parking spaces. For the second problem statement is the driver navigating through the parking spaces often encounter difficulty in discerning these dividers, heightening the risk factor when exiting the parking spot. And the last problem statement is the diminished visibility poses a potential hazard, and addressing this concern is imperative to enhance overall safety within the parking facility. As we all can see that the parking lot have a divider, but divider height is too low. So when the driver sit when they are driving in the car, the divider is visible and can't see because it is too low. So we do some upgrading by adding the plastic roller. For the problem definitions, that the main issue with the parking lot of the FTKM building is obstructed view, especially with regard to the barriers between the parking spot. Although the separator have a useful purpose, their low visibility poses a serious safety risk, as seen in the photo, as the figure 1. So that in the slide, so as the image show the situation which the divider are out of the driver line of sight, producing a situation that is dangerously close to collisions. So the definitions of the problem became clear when we consider the actual difficulty that people have when pulling into and out of the parking spot. So for the second figure that in the slide is the divider has broken due to accidental or collision by or it has been hit by car when they are pulling out from the parking spot. So this is the problem that the driver have to faces, and it can make the risk and increase the risk in the parking spot. Thank you.
Hi, my name Muhammad Amiruddin bin Daud. My maintenance number B0920103323. So I want to explain about the topic is the stakeholder input. We create a stakeholder engagement strategy with multiple perspective, structure, interview and questionnaire. We are done with faculty, administrative staff and a parking user. So, the administrative staff provide parking accident safety and disruption advice. This system interview need to comprehend people, complex parking safety, experience and observation. So, this group emphasize they need to implement practical measure to improve visibility and eliminate safety threat in the FTKM parking area. For the interview session, we do with parking user, and there is some question that we ask what they think about to adding a plastic roller to the divider ends, and there are some answer from them. Firstly, from Norafika, this student agree with the product of the plastic roller. It helps to reduce the risk of accident or damage to vehicle, as it serves as additional protection. The addition of plastic roller provides significant safety and maintenance benefit to the parking area. And for the second person, we do with Nick Muhammad Haikal. And the answer is they agree to adding plastic roller in the parking area to prevent collision with parking barriers. By using this plastic roller, the chance of hitting the parking barriers are minimized, thus preventing cars from getting scratched. For the third person, we ask question to Muhammad Najmi Haikal, and the answer is they agree with the idea on adding the plastic roller. It can lower the risk of collision with the barriers. He suggests as it has to be done and as soon as possible to ensure there nobody else is going to face the same problem that he had faced. And the last student, the last parking user is Sri Vishnu. The student choose the parking plastic roller product and agree with the proposal to add this product to the parking area. This plastic roller can minimize damage to the parking barriers, extending their lifespan and maintaining the parking area is better. So there are 3 samples for the option design that we do. For the first design is the grill being installed along the divider. For the second design, the wire stand being installed along the divider. And the last design, the third design is the plastic roller being installed on the end of the divider. From the option of design and from the interview session that we do, we already select the design is the design number 3. So this is the result that we provide. The first result is a plastic roller, and the second result is position plastic roller being installed, and the third result is position plastic roller being installed.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adi Ashraf bin Abdul Nasir. I'm from BMKM section 1 2, and my matric number is B0920 BMMM10204. For this assignment 2, I will present about the conceptual design selection, design details, and the last one is the mechanical mechanism. We select the conceptual design of house of quality HOQ when it comes to connecting customer needs with the development of the plastic roller parking product. The house of quality HOQ methodology is needed. The house of quality then builds link between the consumer requirement and technical characteristic of the product, such as impotence resistance, material selection, load bearing capability, and weather endurance. Based on the customer requirement and other two design, it shows that students agree with this product. Okay, so we continue to the detailed design. We have three main part for this design, which is sub-post, impact absorbing plastic, and the last one is sub-post end cap. For the sub-post, the material is metal. The height for the sub-post is 910 mm. Outer diameter is 100 mm, and the inner diameter is 19 mm. For the impact absorbing plastic, the height is 400 mm, medial curve is 40 mm, and the diameter is 400 mm. Okay, the last part is sub-post end cap. The height is 100 mm, upper diameter is 200 mm, and for the bottom diameter is 120 mm. This is a detailed design for the assembly. First is plastic roller part, sub-post and impact absorbing, and then we assemble the part and give the perspective. And the last one is isometric drawing. We use A3 landscape paper. Let's continue to our mechanism for the plastic roller. Okay, this is the diagram for how it will put into the parking system. Okay, as we can see from the picture that we already put, we put in at the corner for each parking, so the driver will alert and avoid the collision between the divider. Okay, this mechanism is designed to provide localized impact absorption. Second is limiting damage to specific area. Okay, the concept of roller plastic is to absorb impact. The roller can freely rotate or roll upon impact. These components are made from flexible and resilient material, so it can't give any damage to the car and will not give any scratch for the paint of the car. Okay, these materials allow to deform and absorb kinetic energy during a collision. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Dayang Hafiza, and today I will continue present about discussion, recommendation, and conclusion of product plastic roller. For the discussion, if the car is moving slowly and the plastic roller is designed to absorb impact, there may be minimal damage to both the car and the roller. The plastic roller might deform or absorb the impact, reducing the force transfer to the car. If the car is moving extremely slowly and the plastic roller is durable enough, there might be no visible damage to either the car or the roller. If the plastic roller is not designed to absorb impact or is improperly installed, it may not provide effective protection. In such case, the car is more likely to sustain damage and the roller may be displaced or damaged as well. For recommendation, the incorporation of plastic rollers significantly enhances driver's sight when driving in the parking lot. These rollers are positioned thoughtfully at the end of dividers to guarantee that they are visible even during times of high traffic. The rollers serve as a cushion in the case that a driver may accident contact with a divider, reducing the force and minimizing possible vehicle damage. The plastic rollers are an affordable way to improve safety because of their weather resistance and longevity. This dual-purpose design demonstrated our dedication to complete solution by improving driver safety while also protecting their automobile. Our innovation is easy to implement and works easily with the current parking infrastructure. In conclusion, the adoption of plastic roller technology in parking areas presents a promising solution for enhancing safety, protecting vehicles, and preserving the parking infrastructure. Its implementation aligns with the growing needs for innovative and preventive measures to reduce accidental collision and vehicle damage. The student choice of the plastic roller product reflects a proactive approach to address practical challenges within parking facilities, emphasizing a commitment to both safety and maintenance. That's all from us. Thank you.